Did you know quite a number of law schools in India accept LSAT India scores for admissions to their undergraduate law programs? Yes. Not only these law schools have specific seats reserved for applicants through LSAT India, but they also offer some sort of scholarships based on the performance in the LSAT India exams. Hi, welcome to CLLST. LSAT India, designed by the Law School Admission Council, LSAT Global, test your high level reading and reasoning abilities. The qualities not only essential to succeed in the school of law but equally important in the profession of law. The paper, which is conducted in a multiple choice format, comprises of 4 sections, one each on analytical reasoning and reading comprehension and 2 sets of logical reasoning. Each of these sections is timed for 35 minutes and the paper will have close to 92 questions. There is no negative marking for any incorrect attempt and one receives a score in a band of 420 and 480 as well as a percentile score, which is used as reference by the various law schools to complete their admissions process. LSAT India 2021 will be conducted twice, one in the month of March and the other in the month of June. The exam this year will again be conducted in a home-based proctored format. The registration has already started, and if you wish to avail the early bird offer for the test bundle and the test, you must register on or before 12th of February. The registration for the March attempt closes on 14th of March and the test will be conducted on 25th of March. If you wish to retake the test again, you may do so in the month of June. The registration for the June attempt closes on 4th of June and the test will be administered from the week starting 14th of June. In order to prepare for the LSAT India 2021 exam, it is important that you work on your comprehension skills as well as reasoning skills. Practice as many mocks as possible before you appear for the actual examination. Analyze your performance in the mocks, look out your strengths, look out your weaknesses, and work on them. Do subscribe to our channel to receive such regular updates and do like our videos.